Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the exclusive Zeta icon in Brawl Stars. To begin, you must actively participate in the special in-game event known as the Zeta Challenge. This limited-time event is the primary and often sole method for acquiring this unique profile icon. Make sure your Brawl Stars application is always updated to its most recent version to ensure you have access to all available challenges and opportunities. The Zeta Challenge usually presents a series of stages, each requiring you to secure a specific number of victories. Historically, these challenges demand around 9 to 12 wins to fully complete, while allowing for a limited number of losses, typically between 0 and 3. Successfully navigating these stages is crucial for progressing towards the icon. Pay close attention to the in-game news for exact details on win and loss conditions. To significantly increase your chances of success in the Zeta Challenge, consider teaming up with 1 or 2 reliable friends. Coordinated gameplay and communication are key to overcoming tough opponents. Additionally, research the current meta to select brawlers that excel in the specific game modes featured in the challenge. Adapting your brawler choices to the map and mode can give you a substantial advantage. Once you have successfully completed all stages of the Zeta Challenge, the exclusive Zeta icon will be automatically added to your in-game profile. There is no need for manual claiming. It will appear directly in your collection. Simply navigate to your profile, select the icon customization option, and proudly equip your new, hard-earned Zeta icon to showcase your achievement to the entire Brawl Stars community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.